Hello, today let's write the game Lettercrafter in pure JavaScript. In the game, players need to move letters to form words. Successfully guessing a word triggers confetti. If unable to guess, there's a hint option available. Hooray, Volin Oblast has been guessed. The top menu includes a word counter, timer, and a restart button. The game aims to be educational for learning English words. Let's get started with the code.
Web Galaxy.
To compile Sass files into CSS, Minify styles, and scripts, we'll use Gulp. Simply install Gulp via npm and describe the Gulp file JS file. Function, styles. Take all Sass files from the src SSS folder. Compile Sass into CSS and log errors. Minify CSS. Save the minified CSS in the diced CSS folder. Function, scripts. Take all .js files from the src JS folder. Minify JavaScript. Save the minified JavaScript in the dist JS folder. Function, watch files. Responsible for monitoring changes in Sass and JavaScript files and automatically restarting the respective tasks. Watch changes in Sass files and run the styles task. Watch changes in JS files and run the scripts task. Grouping tasks. Build and watch. Build. Run the styles and scripts tasks sequentially. Watch. First run the build tasks, then start watch files. Export functions. Export the functions so they can be called from the command line. Using Gulp. To run all tasks once, execute Gulp build. To run tasks and automatically monitor changes, execute Gulp watch. Next, in the index.html file, in the header within the link tag, include the minified styles from dist css style.css. At the bottom, within the script tags, include the minified scripts. Now let's move to the main JavaScript file that runs on startup. src hajis script.js. Use strict enables strict mode. Strict mode helps catch common coding errors and unsafe actions by changing the previously accepted bad syntax into real errors. Next, we import the file with colors for the letters, which we will choose randomly. The file of the words with hints. And the main game class. We create an object of the game class, passing words and colors into the constructor, and call the start method, which will start the game. Let's move on to the game class. In the constructor, all the necessary variables for the game are set. An object-oriented approach is chosen for structure and clarity. For example, the GameTimer class is responsible for the game timer and has all the necessary timer methods: start, reset, pause, resume, stop, update, game timer. The HintBox class has two methods, showHint and hideHint, which open and close the hint modal. Additionally, the class interacts with the GameTimer object, which is passed through the constructor. HintBox delegates the responsibility of stopping the game timer when the hint is opened and starting it again after it is closed. This implements one of the main principles of OOP, the single responsibility principle. The modal class is responsible for opening and closing the modal, and also interacts with the game timer object to stop the timer. The guessedWords class is a counter for guessed words. It can update the counter and reset it. The start method of the game class starts the timer and, using the playNextWord method, selects a random word, shuffles the letters, and renders it on the page. Using the splice random word method, we remove a word from the remaining words array for the game, and when there are no words left in the array, the game is over. The game class can also restart the game with the startOver method. Let's try to play again. Great. That's all. Enjoy the game and improve your English. I hope you liked the video and that it inspires you to create your own JS game. Bye.